Hey y'all, so I'm not gonna be talking much during this video. I'm just mainly gonna be showing you how I lay my edges and create these swoops. So I'm basically just taking my toothbrush and literally swooping where I see needs to be swooped. And we're just gonna do this throughout the whole perimeter of my head, and it's not gonna be perfect, but it's definitely gonna look cute. So I'm just gonna do that and I'll let y'all just watch.
It ain't a question of pride. Oh, it's love. Oh, it's love. It's love. Oh, it's love. They say I'm crazy. Oh, they all sit and wonder why this feeling not getting high.
I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, peace and love until my next video.